Hello and welcome to the Soap Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Strawberry Flavour Lip Balm. Let's go through our ingredients. We have avocado oil, shea butter and beeswax, a strawberry flavour and a red fiery Mica pigment. We also have our 15ml aluminium screw top tin for our lip balm. Firstly, prepare and clean your working area and source all the equipment you need. Then, in one saucepan, gently heat your beeswax, shea butter and avocado oil on a low heat. While you wait for your mixture to melt, prepare your lip balm tins. Next, add in 6 grams of your strawberry flavour oil and stir until dispersed. If the mixture starts to set, you may need to briefly return it to heat and let it liquefy again. Then sprinkle in your colour and mix until your mica has blended throughout. While still in a liquid form, transfer your lip balm mixture into a measuring jug, then pour into your lip balm containers and leave to cool fully. When they are set fully, you can enjoy your handmade lip balms.